Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the Redmi 12 and going straight to the Hotspot area. Long press the mobile hotspot icon or open Settings, Connection and Sharing. Make sure mobile data is on and your battery is above 20% so the change won't interrupt. Once in the Hotspot panel, you'll see the network name and password fields. Note the SSID so you don't lose track of the network you're editing. You now tap Configure Hotspot to access the security options and password field. Choose WPA2PSK for wide compatibility and stronger protection. Once selected, enter a new password using at least 8 characters. Mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols so the key resists guessing. After typing, make sure the password displays correctly by toggling the show icon, and then save or apply the settings, so the Redmi 12 immediately enforces the new credentials. Once you save the new password, toggle the mobile hotspot off and on. This forces connected devices to drop and then prompt for the updated credentials. You must reconnect each device using the new password. Make sure they update any saved profiles so they don't keep trying the old key. If a device still won't connect, restart the Redmi 12 and the client device. If problems persist, reset network settings as a targeted fix that preserves data but clears network conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.